tinatawag nilang Hopia Day. Ayan. Kita niyo ba yan guys? Lots of Hopia. So magtanawa kayo ng mga flavor ng Hopia dito. So abangan nyo lang guys ha. Stay tuned ang mga kaganapan dito sa Hopia Day natin. Hi Kansi! Kansi Ibay! Yan Ibay! Ayan po, nakikita lang po natin ang pagdating ng ating butihing Yorme Isko Moreno Domagoso dito nga po sa Hopia Day. Ayan, isang maulang hapon po ngayon dito sa May Binondo, Plaza Ruiz, kung saan, ayan na nga po, sobrang grabe ang blessing na bumubuhos ngayong araw na to dahil ngayon po ay araw ni Yorme Isko Moreno Domagoso. Umulan man o maaraw, ayan, tuloy-tuloy po ang birthday celebration ng ating butihing Yorme Isko Moreno Domagoso. Ayan, grabe lakas ng ulan guys, so andito kami ngayon sa may Plaza Ruiz. Ayan, Hopia Day. Ayan, so hinintay po natin si Yorme Isko. Hinintay natin ang kanyang pagdating. Hi kuya! Ano, laban pa kuya? Laban lang para sa birthday ni Yorme. Ayan sila kuya, oh, yung tutugtog mamaya sa birthday ni Yorme, oh. Ayan na po yung convoy ni Yorme Isko Moreno. Ayan, paparating na po siya. Grabe ha, umulan man bumagyo talaga for Yorme. Ayan na po yung kanyang sasakyan. Naku, good luck sa ating mga cellphone. Ayan na po yung pagbaba ni Yorme sa kanyang sasakyan. Ayan, sinusundo na po siya.
great day. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Congressman Cristobal Castillo, Officer in Charge of the Department of Tourism, Culture and Arts of Manila. And now for our keynote speech, let's put our hands together for the Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Dolagoso, the Mayor of the City of Manila.
Thank you. Maraming salamat sa ating mga kusihan na nandito, department head, at lahat ng Filipino-Chinese organization. And of course to our consultant and head of the Filipino-Chinese of the City of Manila office. Siya ang aming tagapag-usap, tagapaghingi, taga-solicit, at anything that will involve the Chinatown. Our friend, Director Tony C. At nakita ninyo, nandito ang iba't ibang organisasyon ng Filipino-Chinese. Now, today, it's not about my birthday. Nataon lang. Nataon. But the purpose of your city government, having October 24 as Hopia Day in the city of Manila, is to look back, lingunin ang aming kasaysayan sa lungsod ng Maynila. Hindi pwedeng kunin at agawin ang kasaysayan ito ng Hopia ay nagsimula sa Binondo, Maynila. And that's why to our forefathers, sa aming mga ninuno na Filipino-Chinese, from first generation, second generation, and the new generation of Filipino-Chinese, and most of the first and second generation continue to live in the city of Manila, continue to recognize their history and success when they were starting here in the city of Manila. Now, Hopia, at least pwede natin idikit sa salitang hope that Manila is full of hope. The beacon of hope of people who are looking and wishing and aspiring for greater life, better life. And that, in the beginning, is always about the kilometer zero. Kilometer zero because everything starts in Manila. And during that time, yung nakikita nyo may edad na dito, nasa entablado. Itong ating mga Filipino-Chinese, more than Filipino by blood to some, because they really love this community. In fact, marami sa kanila, kahit na nakatira na sa mga mamahaling subdivision, yung kanilang mga property, kanilang mga business ay nananatili sa lungsod ng Maynila. Tingnan nyo yan. Isa, dalawa. Kaya Metrobank. May Metrobank ba sa Maynila? May Metrobank pa sa buong Pilipinas? Nag-start sa Tabora, Magtetela, Ilaya. See, this is a very good example. Kapag ikay nagsikap sa Maynila, nagpursige, nagbuti, ginalingan mo, and the rest will be history. Look at that, the biggest, one of the biggest bank in the country, Metrobank. Dito, nagsimula sa Maynila. Pag kumanan ka pa dyan, may Rizal Banking pa dyan, o mas kilala nyo ang RCBC. Yung BDO, nagsimula SM. Ang SM saan nagsimula? Manila, Carriedo. Tama ba? So, tayo umiikot ang ating buhay at mga nakikita nating malalaking kumpanya malalaking kumpanya, conglomerate to some, but they all started in Manila. So, Hopia Day gives hope for the next generation that Manila will be or will continue to be the beacon of hope for every Filipinos and especially Manileños in the city, that there is better future na naghihintay sa bawat Manileño at mga taong dumadako dito sa Maynila. So Hopia is not just a food, it's not a delicacy only, but it can be a symbol of hope to every Manileños and Filipinos in the country and in the city. So we wanted to own it thanks to the effort of Director Tony C. and Director Crystal Bagaching of DTCAM. Now, nakikita ninyo, yan ang mga brand na nakikita nyo sa buong Pilipinas. Dito yan sa Binondo nagsimula. Now, it only proves today ay bumabagyo. Bagay, blessing yan. Kahit bumabagyo, ipinararamdam natin dito sa downtown, dito sa Chinatown, dito sa Binondo, we in the city government will never forget our history. We will never forget who we are in the past. And we will never forget those Filipino-Chinese who continue to provide opportunity for the people of Manila. And we will always remember those Filipinos o Filipino-Chinese naging successful dahil sa Maynila. Ngayon, ang panawagan ko lang, baka naman. Baka naman. But I'm very happy that the Federation, the FFCCII, donated 30 NMAX for the peace and order situation of the city. At may tatlo pang Hilux. At si Tony, may nadisgrasya na naman nung isang araw sa ating mga kapulisyahan. Mukhang may madadagdag na NMAX sa lungsod ng Maynila para sa ating mga pulis. So again, let us erase or isang tabi yung prejudice to one another. Let's live in harmony. Let's live in synchrony. Let's live peacefully in the city of Manila. Let us not prejudge anybody. As long as walang monkey business, welcome kayo sa lungsod ng Maynila. To our forefathers, sa mga ninuno namin Filipino-Chinese, and one of those, and I would like to remind each and every one of you, nakita ninyo yung estatwa dyan, si Ong Pin. Si Ong Pin paid the price. Lumago, nakapaghanap buhay sa lungsod. Noong nakikipaglaban ang ating mga ninunong bayani, si Ong Pin, yung kinita niya, yung hinanap buhay niya, itinulong sa himagsikan. And he is a Filipino-Chinese. And most likely, he is one of those first generation from China to Manila and live like more than Filipino to some. In his heart, in his mind, that reminds us, walang lahi sa pagmamahal sa kanyang pamayanan. Hindi usapin ang lahi. Pag mahal mo ang kapwa mo, mahal mo ang bayan mo, ay kaya mo yan ipakita. That's why we wanted to immortalize those people who have helped each and every one of us who continue to enjoy our freedom because these people paid the price. Now, to our sa mga naghahanap buhay ng Hopia, sana pag hindi man kalabisan sa inyo, pagka nilalagay nyo na yung brand ninyo, Hopia, Tikoy, lagay ninyo yung address, Binondo, Maynila. Because today, at least, makikita ninyo, iba-iba ang mga magulang natin. Pero, meron tayong isang common ground bilang Batang Maynila o bilang Manileño. This is Manila. And you can call it to yourself, My Manila. Manila, My Manila. Happy Hopia Day, and let there be full of hope in the next weeks, months, and years in our country, in our city, in our community here in Chinatown. Muli, maraming salamat na dumako dito at kahit kayo nabasa ng ulan, nandito pa rin kayo. Sana sa lahat ng mga mababait, commit na kayo, magpabasa kayo sa ulan nang tumami pa kayo. Maraming salamat. Congratulations mga Batang Maynila. Manila! God first. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Honorable Mayor Francisco Moreno Domagoso. And your mayor, we ask you to proceed for our ceremonial hopia cutting together with Vice Mayor Chi Atienza, Congressman Crystal Balitsin, with also Mr. Victor Lim, President of Federation of Philippine Chinese Chambers of Commerce and Industry Incorporated, and Sir Jerry of ABC for our ceremonial hopia. And now for our ceremonial hopia cutting, because today officially is Manila Hopia Day. We'd also like to greet Joaquin Domagoso, a very hopia happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.